Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at the LEVOIT Vital 100 Air Purifier. So this has a 3-stage HEPA filter, and what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to test out this volume sound meter just to give you an idea of how loud this is on low, medium, and high. So let's get to that. So as you can see here, the room sound level is at about 29 decibels. So let's turn it on just to get on the lowest setting. So around 37 to 38 decibels on the lowest setting. We're about 56, 57 decibels at the medium setting. And we're about 72, 73 decibels at the highest setting. Alright, so I'm going to show you the top here, how it works. So basically it's just a touch sensitive menu here. You just hit on. There's 3 levels of speed for the fan. If you don't like the lighting, especially when you're sleeping, if it bothers you, you just hit the display button and it turns off all the lights, but it's still running in the background. You can put it on the display. You can have a timer, 2, 4, 8 hours, and then there's also a filter reminder for you to replace the filter. So to replace the filter, you just easily just take off the front panel, and there's a filter underneath. You pull out and you can replace it. And the front panel is magnetic, so it's pretty nice. So in summary, I'll give you some quick stats, but overall I really like this air purifier out of all the ones I've had. It's a medium size, it's not too big, not too small. It cleans a fairly large room for its size, and it's very powerful. The dimensions is 6.4 inches in depth, 12.8 inches in width, 16.1 inches in height. It weighs 9.3 pounds. It's rated to clean a room of 300 square feet in 18 minutes. So you can put it in larger rooms or smaller rooms. Obviously, if you put it in larger rooms, it's going to take a little bit longer to clean the air. And the filter is a 3-stage filter, and it has activated carbon as well. So overall, I really like this. Depending on what type of design you're looking for, there's a lot of products out there, either this boxy type look, or you can get the cylinder ones. So just to give you an idea of the profile here. So thank you for watching.